A few weeks ago, we posted a video of Sarah Lockman Tubman's ride on this horse, and people in the comment section went crazy as to how horrific the ride was. Well, if it's not entirely possible for the ride to get worse, it did. Now, if you don't want to watch this whole ride, make sure you skip to the end where she does get eliminated for how catastrophic this ride was. But not only does she get eliminated, she chooses to school her horse in the ring prior to leaving. So I think that's a really interesting piece of this to watch. You can see the train wreck happen throughout this ride. It gets worse and worse. But then, at the end, she chooses to school and show us who she really is. Now, the most amazing part for me is that she's married to a judge, and this is the best that she can produce, or even take into the ring. The question is, why?